Okay, here's my Notorious. It's mostly stock other than the T-bones. We got a T-bone front wing, we got the T-bone wing mount, and we got a T-bone rear mount. Now the rear mount is for a Typhon, but I wanted something not super wide, and the mounting holes all fit the same, so why not? But here we go. We got this pulled out, and I've replaced a couple arms on this before. I don't want to have to do it again if I can help it. So we're going to shove some glue in the hole, and then we're going to put it together, and we'll see if it'll hold. Okay, so I got it standing on its side. Hopefully I can do this with one hand. So we got our glue here. Oh boy. Come on. Get in there. Okay. Got a good glob in there. Put a little around the edge there. Boom. Now, we don't want too much around the edge, I guess. It's probably fine. Alright, so now we're going to stick that in there. And of course, this is a 2.5. Oh boy, one-handed. Here we go. Can he do it? Can he do it? Make sure that your drive shaft is in. Good. Just start going for it. Usually you want two hands so you can straighten the arm as you go. I'm going to do that. We'll cut back. We'll edit back to that. Okay, so I was able to straighten it out, and here we go, putting the finishing touches on it. Let's see if it globs out at all. It's nice and tight. Okay, it didn't glob out, but I feel good about it. So we got a battery testing or charging, so we'll see what happens. There we go. Oh. Wheelie bar. Oh, man, that would have been a good one.